Hi friends, welcome to codewithsugi YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about the keyword throws. For that, I'm going to create a class called throws test. So before we get into this video, if you are new to our channel and if you are not aware of what we have discussed till date, so you don't need to worry. We always used to add all the links in the description. So please go ahead and have a look on the previous videos. Let's get into this video. So as I said, we're going to discuss about the keyword throws, right? So we all know Java is having around 50 keywords. In that 50 keywords, throws is also a one keyword. Whenever you read the term throws, so what we are getting, we will get a meaning like throwing something. So here the something is exception, right? So throwing the exception is called as throws in Java. Where we will use the keyword throws we will use in the method. So the best example to discuss about the throws is, so we all know how to sleep the thread, right? There is a method called sleep in the thread. So whenever we use thread.sleep, then it will make the thread to sleep for the specified milliseconds. So here the input is in milliseconds. So 1000 millisecond equal to 1 second. So here we are trying to wait for 2 seconds. So after having this line, okay, our compiler is giving some error saying like unhandled exception type interrupted exception. So to solve this, it's giving two fixes. One is surround with try catch, another one is add throws declaration. First I will go with surround with try catch. See, this is what we are getting whenever we go with surround with try catch. If you are handling through try catch, then in catch you can specify whatever you want. For example, it's interrupted, or you can customize the exception message also, right? Okay, so say for example sys out e dot get message or localized message, whatever you want, or get stack trace, whatever you want you can do. Okay, so for example I'm gonna take get message. So these flexibilities we will get. Or if you want to redirect to some place, that is also possible from catch. Okay, so these are all the flexibilities which we will get out of catch. Then if I say sys out end of program, here what we are doing, we are trying something and we are asking the JVM to catch this. After that we are having a statement. Now I'm going to run this program to see the output. See, it's waiting for 2 seconds, then it's printed the statement as end of program. Okay, so I have add one more statement over here to say like that wait is over, something like this. Okay, now I'm going to run this. So now it's waiting for 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, it's printed thread wait is over and end of program. So whenever we have a try catch, okay, there is no termination in the program. It run all the lines of code which is available in that program. This is what we are seeing with the try catch. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to comment this entire line and I'm going to have it in the line number 23. Here I will say this out, I will say before wait, and here this out, I will say after wait. Now as discussed, I'm going to take with the throws declaration. See, I'm going to take this throws declaration. Please watch closely where it's adding the throws. So see, whenever I say add throws, automatically it's adding the throws with the expected exception in the method. Okay, this how throws will be added. Now I saved the program, no error, nothing. We are ready to run this program. Now I am going to run this program. It's printed before wait and waiting for the 2 seconds, then it printed the after wait and end of program. So everything is printed as expected. Here this is the positive case because we haven't interrupted this. With this example, we cannot visualize this throws exactly, so for that I'm going to take another one example and I will explain you that. Because we cannot interrupt this wait, here it's printed everything. Why? Because this thread.sleep is expecting the interrupt. Okay, so we cannot interrupt this program manually. So what we can do is, I will say 10,000, so it will wait for 10 seconds, right? I'm gonna try in this way. I'm gonna run this program one time and it's waiting for the 10 second. Then in between I'm going to run one more time. It's waiting for 10 seconds. See, it's printed the output as expected. Okay, this is the one launch. And if I remove this, there is another one output with the previous launch, right? So here we cannot interrupt this program because each and every run will be treated as a separate thread. That's the reason we are not able to interrupt the previously running thread. Okay, so we cannot achieve that through this example. So what I'm going to do for that, I'm going to take another one example to demonstrate more about the throws. Okay, now I'm going to comment this also. I'm gonna take the example which we saw in the checked exceptions. So in the checked exceptions, we have used the scanner class, right? Scanner scan equal to new scanner new file. We have to specify the path, right? Text 1.txt. Now I'm going to do Control Shift O. So it will ask us to handle the exception. So I'm going to take this surround with try catch now. Then I will have some sys out file found. Okay, if we are into exception, then we have to say file not. Then I'm going to take copy of this. Okay, and I'm going to have it in the line number 43, and I'm going to say it as a scan 1. Okay, and now I'm going to add this using throws. Okay, fine. So if you are adding more than one exceptions using throws, then you have to use the comma between the exception names. So I think now we are good to go, and I will say this out. This is end of program, and I will say here this out end of try catch. For our better understanding, I am going to have a differentiator like this. And now we are good to run this program. So I'm going to run this program to see the output. I hope now you can able to visualize the difference between try catch and throws. Okay, so see, the first output is coming from the try catch. So it's saying file not found. So that means it's coming into the catch block and it's printing whatever we have in the catch block. Then it's allowing us to run the line after the catch block, that is in the line number 43. Then it's allowing us to run the program after the try catch block, that is it's not at all terminating anything, right? It's not at all terminating the program. But when we see the throws example, see, it came into the line number 47 and it's directly throwing the exception. It's saying like text1.text, the system cannot find the specified file. After that, it's not at all printing the statement which we have in the line number 49. That means once the exception is raised, then it's terminating the execution. That's what we are getting from the throws. Okay, so this is the main difference between throws and the try catch block. So in the try catch block, specifically we have a catch block to handle and we can communicate that to JVM. Hey JVM, I have handled this exception, so I'm gonna give a message or something to the user so you can continue the execution. Whereas in throws, it don't know anything about the catch. So that's the reason it's directly stopping the program from the execution. So this is the main biggest difference between throws and the try catch block. So I hope now you have some better understanding about throws and try catch block. If still you guys have any doubt, then please feel free to put your comments in the comment section so that we will have a look and we will revert back to you as soon as possible. Okay, we always used to add all the code in the GitHub. The link is available in the description, so please go ahead and have a look on that too. Thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Keep supporting us. Thank you.